Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to butterfly a chicken. So if you are interested in this process, then continue watching the video. What we are going to be needing for this video is basically a good kitchen scissors. So make sure you have a good sharp kitchen scissors and of course the chicken. So to start, we are going to go ahead and take out everything that's on the inside of the chicken, which is the neck. And I like to cut this bottom out, but you don't have to, totally up to you. So now we are going to cut out some of the extra fat out of the chicken, just like that. And now to take out that backbone, you're going to go ahead and fill it out, but I like to kind of turn it to this side instead, to the front, and then just fill the neck. Take your scissors and just cut through. You might want to use a little muscle. So this is where, if you've never done a nice arm workout, you are definitely going to feel it. Oh, my scissors are giving me trouble, even though I told you guys to use sharp scissors. So go ahead, just play around with it. You can turn it to the other side to make it easier. Okay. You just need to get past through that bone. Oh, just like that. And now we need to take out this side as well. Same process, take your time. I promise this is the hardest part of it. If you haven't, if this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Of course, comment, like, and share. And you are definitely going to want to come back to see what I do with this chicken for the holiday for you guys. As you can see, if you do a couple steps at a time, it comes out. So you can save this to do some stock if you wish, or you can just, I guess, get rid of it if you don't find any use for it. And now you can see the chicken is not laying flat yet. Of course, when you are cleaning it, you want to take out this inside part out, remove everything. And now what I like to do is lay it flat down. So you can either push on it really hard and pop that bone, or you can do this. Or if it don't work, which in my case, it still hasn't worked, let me grab a knife really quick. You want to go ahead and grab a knife and just kind of cut between that cartilage just to make that bone pop. You can see that? That bone popped. And I'll do the same on the other side. Sometimes I feel like when I do this off camera, it is so much easier. And now if you lay the chicken down, you can see your chicken is very flat, okay? And that's all there is to it. So if you are planning on seasoning your chicken, of course, you want to go ahead through the skin and make some kind of pocket just so you can season it. But like I said, come back and see what I do to this chicken. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I mentioned before. Comment, like, and share. And also don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys for watching. Please continue to stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.